What's up, guys? Welcome to the tile leveling system shootout. We're going to compare two tile leveling systems here. I believe they are two of the most popular. There's a ton out there. Strap system, spin system, but Raimondi, RLS, as well as LEVTEC, these systems are great. This is what we use most. So we're just going to do a comparison. We've got LEVTEC here, wedges, clips, 1/16 inch. We also have Raimondi clip system as well. And you also have your pliers here. Now keep in mind, guys, LEVTEC system and Raimondi RLS, these systems are compatible. So you can use one with the other. Also, the pliers work for both systems. I'm using a Raimondi plier set here. We're gonna just do a quick comparison video on which clips are better, which system has a better price point. So let's show you what we got. Here you've got the LEVTEC tile leveling system, bright green. Like the color on that. Here are the clips, 1/16 inch wedge clip. You can feel the clip already has a lot more flexibility than RLS, Raimondi. Here's Raimondi's wedge clip. It's a lot stiffer. These tend to have a problem breaking quite a bit, so we'll test that out and show you which clips work the best. But when you put them side to side, they look nearly identical. All right, we'll start with the clips here. We'll grab one LEVTEC clip. Got the LEVTEC clip on my left. Got the Raimondi on my right. I'm just off the bat. You can feel this is a lot more rigid. It's not necessarily a good thing. Let's bend it one way here. You heard it just snap. So this clip is no longer good. If you try to tighten this up, it will pull this right out and then you have problems. LEVTEC, on the other hand, has a lot more flexibility, as you can see. You might be able to step on this without it breaking. So we'll put that to the test as well. As you can see, these wedges are absolutely identical. I gotta lean towards LEVTEC. I mean that bright green. I like it. It looks cool. Points for LEVTEC on color. All right, we've got some points towards LEVTEC already. A lot more flexibility in the clips. And the green is a cooler color. Raimondi still works great. And Raimondi's still great on price. Let's do a price comparison. All right, as you guys can see, now keep this in mind. Wedges as well as pliers are generally the same. We're only talking about clips here. Here's the difference. RLS clips, $50 gives you 500 clips. LEVTEC, $75 gives you 500 clips. That's a 50% increase for LEVTEC clips. Let's talk about 3,000 clips. Let's jump that quantity up a bit. RLS, $260 for 3,000 clips. LEVTEC, $370 for 3,000 clips. That jumps up 40% increase for LEVTEC clips. Now the question is, are LEVTEC clips worth that price increase? So we'll put them to use. We've got about 400 square feet to install porcelain planks. We'll use LEVTEC as well as Raimondi, see which ones break more often, see which ones work better. Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick stress test on these clips. We've got the LEVTEC here. We've got Raimondi here. We're gonna put them side by side. We're gonna insert the wedges. We're going to pull the trigger on those pliers pretty darn hard to see which ones break, which ones don't break. Here we go. As you can see, one RLS, one LEVTEC. RLS, LEVTEC, RLS, LEVTEC next to each other. Raimondi wedges. Here we go. All right, it looks like they both passed the stress test. He squeezed the pliers a lot harder than typical, and we didn't have a single break on Raimondi or LEVTEC. All right, we're gonna do another quick test, see if we can remove the wedges without the clips breaking, in case you need to make some adjustments. Looks like LEVTEC broke. Let's try it again. LEVTEC broke again. So that's one negative about LEVTEC. Once you install, it's difficult to remove without having the clip break. You got RLS right there and a broken LEVTEC right there. All right, we're gonna add up on these clips and then try to use them to see if they're still useful when stepped on. Oops. It looks like probably 80% of LEVTEC clips that you accidentally step on or bend are reusable. Now here's Raimondi clips. When you break these, as you can see, they're not reusable. So that's another benefit of LEVTEC. About 80% of them that you step on, you can still use them. Raimondi, you can't use any of them that you step on.